Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to talk to you guys about Kalisan balloons, okay? I know it's been a while. It's been 2 weeks since I put out a video. As you can hear in my voice, I'm recovering from being sick. So I created this beautiful balloon backdrop for you guys last week, and then I ended up getting sick, okay? So I'm going to try to make it through this without coughing or clearing my throat. So anyways, in this video, I wanted to try out some Kalisan balloons because a lot of you guys have been asking me my opinion on this balloon brand. This is the first time ever that I'm going to use these balloons in a balloon backdrop, okay? So make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so I can tell you guys what I think, all right? So let's get started. So I wanted to stop here and let you guys know, if you are interested in taking one of my classes in 2025, guess what? I have my 2025 class schedule available on my website. Just check the description. I'm going to put the link below so that you could head over to my website and check out my classes. And guys, I'm running a 25% off Black Friday sale right now. So you're going to get a sale and a good class if you sign up now. All right. So make sure you check the description. I'm going to put the link in there. So that was my first time using Kalisan balloons. Guys, let me tell you, I was very impressed with these Kalisan balloons. The quality is it's almost like Simpertex. Really, I didn't see a difference. And as you can see, I have left these balloons up for over a week and they still look just as good as when I first put them up, okay? Now, next summer, I'm gonna use these outdoors and then I can give you my opinion because as you guys know, I typically use Simpertex balloons outdoors and I don't have any issues. But as for now, I love these Kalisan balloons, and I'm definitely gonna start using them with my clients and in my balloon backdrops, okay? So you're gonna see a lot more Kalisan balloons on my YouTube channel. If you have any questions on any of the materials that I use with this balloon backdrop, make sure you check the links in the description, okay? I'm gonna put the list of all of the balloon colors and the backdrop and the stand and everything in the description. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll see you in my next video.